Well, hello everybody, welcome back with me, you know me, I'm Kevin, and for this project, I'm gonna make a wooden sword, again. So here's actually why I decided to make a new sword, and right here on the screen, what you're seeing is this one that I made last time, and as I kept it for a long time, it cracked in a few weak points, like for example around here, because you see over here, yeah, over here is the weak point. This is where it just decided to snap, and just because the old guard is there, well, there is actually still a bit of gap over here, and this is where it decided to crack. And right now, here's my new design. On the left here is the new design, which I made for a two-handed blade. As you can see, the handle is longer. And to solve the previous problem I had on this one, I decided to make the guard onto two separate ones, the upper and the lower. So in here, for lower part it's gonna grip onto the handle here, and the upper one is gonna grip onto the blade. So because it is stick together, that weak point here where it usually would crack, like on this one, would just disappear. So right now I've already started cutting the plans, and actually all these three big pieces are going to be connected into one single piece of wood. Basically I'm going to cut it right on the edge here, so it can be easily connected with the other pieces. So now, let's just glue the plants first. That's it for plants. And you can already see here how big the new sword is compared to the smaller one. So right now, I think I'm just gonna separate the pieces from the smaller pieces, like the guard or the end, from the whole blade. And there we go. We have the whole blade and the smaller pieces. Well, for this one, I think I should just start cutting with the smaller pieces first. Yep, now we're done with the smaller pieces, which is the guard and the end here. Now we're gonna cut the whole blade. Well, so now I've already cut every piece that I need, and let's just take the templates out and sand them. Yep. The blade is now all clean, not just like the sand both sides. Well, now this side is already really smooth, And also this one, but well, maybe not the side. Yep, the blade is not all sharpened, both edges sharp till the edge, till the end also. And now I guess it's time to stick the guard in. So for that, I'm just gonna put it in place. This. And I've already put on here some small markings so I can align it, which is based on here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stick the whole thing right in here already, but then take it out again after. Yep. Now as we're done with this, we're just gonna leave it until it dries. So right now, as the holes already fit into the sword, maybe we should just flatten down to the edges. And now it's all smooth, time to stick it here. And the guard has on dry, and like almost everything in the whole sword is already done. Just the end right here. And for this one, let's just cut it. So I'm only gonna use one template because I'm gonna split this wood in half. And this piece is already split into two, but the thickness is not equal and it's kind of wavy, but I can just sand it off later. And now, let's just put everything together. Yep, just like that. Now we're just gonna leave it to dry. And when it dries, I can flatten already all the sides. Yep, I think this now already dried. And I can just take the crowns off. And right now, I don't think there's going to be any more cutting of any pieces, but let's just sand every side first. Now just for some finishing touches on the sanding, I'm just gonna smoothen all edges. And now, I'm just gonna give it a coating of clear spray paint. And now, after the paint has dried, it's almost done. I'm just going to give it a nice grip. Just the same like this one. Actually, I've had 3 different grips for this one. The first one is the badminton racket grip that I put on this thing. It was under a previous video also. The second one was only this rope, like I just wrap it. And the third one that I'm gonna use has a foam layer under the rope. And now, after I've given the foam layer, I'm just going to use double tape to make sure that the rope stays in place. So now, it's already done. And for the end here, I use it the same way as this one. Well, the same with this one. So I just use tape to keep it in place. And overall, it's pretty much like almost the exact same thing, but bigger. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Good luck making your own sword. Maybe try the smaller one first. And don't forget to subscribe.
Cheese.
Bye.